entertain yourselves with intake breathing. Maybe you guys are content creators. Maybe you guys are people that just like reviewing different types of products. There you go. Here's intake breathing, and you have fun doing it because this is a great product that is made to be worn and made to be enjoyed. So I'm very excited to get my custom bands. I have a Nasal Nerd band that says Nose Nerd, which is custom. That just came out, so obviously it was a custom made one, but I got ones at home today. Decided to wear the clear. Thought it would, again, go with my outfit. I'm a person that enjoys wearing apparel.